Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas and that you enjoyed being able to spend time with friends and family. I wanted to give you a little heads up in case you weren't aware. Each week, myself, Rodney Hunt, and Eric from Home Energy Independence have a live stream that we've called Unplugged Live, where DIY enthusiasts just kind of get together, share ideas, and help each other out. It's Thursday nights at 8 p.m. Eastern. And coming up this Thursday, which is New Year's, we've got something special going on. We've been able to partner with MidNite Power, and we're going to be doing our largest giveaway to date. We're going to be giving away the MidNite Power One all-in-one inverter. If you're not familiar with this is an 11.4 kilowatt continuous output inverter with solar and a 10 kilowatt output inverter with just your batteries. Split phase, 120, 240. It's got 3 built-in MPPTs. One tracker can handle up to 30 amps. The other 2 trackers can handle up to 22 amps. And you've got a voltage range from 90 volts to 600 volts DC. This system uses magnetic hydraulic breakers, which allow for 100% duty cycle. There are 3 programmable smart load breakers, a 60 amp, a 50 amp, and a 30 amp. And then there's also 4 extra breakers for additional loads, 3 at 15 amps and 1 at 20 amps. This inverter is for a 48 volt battery, which can handle a voltage range from 40 volts to 64 volts, can handle up to 210 amps DC charging and discharging from the battery, and it's got a built-in 100 amp grid pass-through connection. It's got UL 1741 SB, UL 1741 PCS, an IEEE 1547 with arc fault, ground fault, and rapid shutdown all built in. So if you don't normally join us for our Unplugged live stream, this is going to be a big one, so you'll want to join. The giveaway will be done live, so you want to make sure that you attend for the entire stream. They're usually about an hour, but everything is going to be handled in the live stream. We will pick a winner out of the comment section, so you want to make sure that you are subscribed to the Unplugged Live channel and you're participating in the comments, because that's how we're going to end up drawing a winner. I know Eric, Rodney, and I are super excited being able to give this away. If you look this up, it's like a $5,600 inverter. Like I said, it's gonna be big. I will leave links down in the description below for the Unplugged channel. I'll also try to tag it someplace up here. I'll also include a lot of information about the MidNite Power One inverter. I'll link to their website, data sheets, current connected, where you can pick one up and see more details there. I'll also link to a playlist that I have done of these inverters. They've been running my house for, shoot, I don't even know, a long time. And one last thing I will say about these things, besides the power output, besides how much solar they can bring in and all that kind of stuff, these are the quietest inverters I have ever had. 9 times out of 10, I don't even know they're running. And then when I have to run a different inverter, you can tell the difference from some of these inverters because of the noise of the fans running on some of these other systems. So again, make sure you're following that channel, you've subscribed. Make sure you tune in Thursday, January 1st at 8 p.m. Eastern Time for our MidNite Power giveaway. I look forward to catching up with you in the comments this week on our live stream. So till then, y'all stay safe, stay warm, and we'll catch up with you later.